In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OpenRouter AI in VS Code and connect your API key. We'll start inside Visual Studio Code. Open the editor, then head to the extensions view. In the search bar, type OpenRouter AI. Look for the OpenRouter AI extension in the results, open its page, and click Install. Give it a moment to complete. Once it's installed, you'll see an OpenRouter icon or entry on the left sidebar of VS Code. Click that. You should now see a place where the extension expects an API key, but don't worry if it's blank. We're about to generate one. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for OpenRouter, then click the official OpenRouter website. On the site, choose Sign Up and connect your account with Google to make the process quick and secure. After you're in, open the drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the site, then select Keys. Click Create API Key. Give the key a clear name so you'll recognize it later, then click Create. When your new key appears, copy it right away and keep it private. Treat it like a password. Never share it publicly or check it into code. Head back to VS Code. In the OpenRouter panel, paste your API key into the field and press Enter. The extension will connect to your account. You may see a brief loading state. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. Once it finishes, you should be ready to choose a model. At the bottom of the panel, you'll likely see a model selection showing something like OpenAI Mini. Click that to open the list of available models. From the list, choose Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This model is a great balance of capability and speed for many coding and writing tasks. If you don't immediately see it, wait a moment for the catalog to load, then try again. Keep in mind that availability can vary based on your account and region. That's it. You've installed the OpenRouter AI extension, created and copied your API key from the OpenRouter website, added it securely into VS Code, and switched the default model to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. From here, you can start prompting directly in the extension or integrate it into your workflow. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double check that your API